Introduction to probability. Below are the results from an experiment conducted by taking a random sample of 100 students in two separate occasions. Based on the data, if you were to randomly select 10 students from the population, how many would you expect to respond that football is their favorite sport? Okay, well, these, as you can see, are just both two different samples, random samples. But then, if we want to randomly select 10 students from the entire population, then how much can we expect to say that football is their favorite sport? So first, before we solve anything, we have to go over the definitions of random samples and populations. So samples are almost like, say you have 500 people to survey, but you don't have enough time or money or energy to get to all of them. You just have to randomly just select 50 of them to do. So it's the same thing over here. It's a sample of the actual population. And of course, the population over here is the actual everybody. Okay, so yeah. First, we have to look at sample number. You know what? I'll just sample number one. Okay. So in sample number one for football, how many people were there? So let's just look. So there's 21 for football. So that's 21 over all of the others added together. So if you add these all up, you get 32 plus 20 plus 27 plus 21. Let's first do 32 plus 20, so that's 52. 52 plus 27 is 79, and 79 plus 21 is 100. Sorry, we actually didn't have to do that, but because it already says over here that it's 100. So sample number 2, how much people is in football? 20 over 100. So now from the entire population, we are going to select 10 students. I'll use it in green. 10 students as the whole thing. How many people can we expect to say football is their favorite sport? So basically, it's the same ratio about, since this was a random sample. And I know this one is 20 over 100, so we can simplify that to have a denominator of 10, but the first one is a 21. Well, as you can see, 21 is just one apart, then 21 is just one apart, then 20. So we can also view this as 20. So it would be 20 over 100, which is up here, would be 2. So the answer we get is we can expect 2 students to say that football is their favorite